In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs to a Confluence page. Tabs are a great way to organize long pages, keep related content together, and make your documents easier to scan. We'll start by installing the app that powers tabs, and then we'll add them to a page you're working on. Begin in Confluence. Before we can add tabs, we need the Tabs for Confluence app. Open the Apps area and choose Explore More Apps. In the search field, type Tabs for Confluence. Look for the one by Collecti to make sure you're getting the correct solution. If you manage apps in your site, click Install and follow the prompts. If you don't see the install option, you might need an admin to install it for your space or site. The install can take a moment, so be patient and let it complete before moving on. Once the app is installed, head to the page where you want to add tabs. Open the page in edit mode so you can insert new content. In the editor, use the quick insert / command by typing / followed by tabs. You'll see an option called Tabs. Select it to add the tabs component to your page. The tabs editor will appear. Here, you can add new tabs and give each tab a clear descriptive name. Keep tab titles short so they fit nicely across the page. For example, you might name them Overview, Details, and FAQs, depending on your content. Click into each tab area and add the content that belongs in that section. Text, images, or other macros work well inside tabs. Think about the order of your tabs from most to least important, so readers can find key information quickly. If you're collaborating with a team, agree on a naming convention to keep pages consistent. When you're happy with the tabs and their content, save your changes in the tabs editor. Saving ensures the tab structure is stored inside the page. After that, publish the page so your readers can see the new layout. Publishing applies everything you just set up and makes it visible to anyone with access to the page. That's it. You've installed Tabs for Confluence, inserted the tabs component with the / command, named each tab, added your content, saved the tab configuration, and published the page. If you need to adjust anything later, simply edit the page again and reopen the tabs to rename, add, or refine your content. Tabs help you present complex information in a tidy, user-friendly way, and now you know exactly how to set them up.